there, this is Shivani and welcome to the channel Science with Shivani. This channel is completely dedicated to science. We do lots of stuff, we have lots of fun, but it's all about science. So if you are a science buff, then you should definitely subscribe to this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to talk to you about a book. For the Love of Physics by Walter Nevin. This is an amazing book. Before we talk about this book, let us talk about the author, Walter Nevin. Well, actually, Walter Nevin is somebody who need no introduction. But just in case you don't know, let us talk about him. So, he is a former physics professor at MIT. He retired in 2009. The most interesting thing about him is he brings out physics so lively in class. He does lots of experiments. And in one of the experiments, he have even risked his own life. But he knows physics very well and physics never fails, so nothing went wrong. If you want to understand physics very deeply, like if you have taken physics, then you should definitely check out his lectures, which is freely available on YouTube. Now, let us come to this book. This book is written for everybody. So even if you are not from science background, you can still read this book. There's no formulae, there's no maths, there's no derivation as such. But there's explanation about the stuff we see around, like rainbows, like lightning, in very simple words. Walter Nevin wants everybody to see the magic that nature holds for us. But sadly, the understanding of those amazing natural phenomena is limited to only certain people who have taken science. So in this book, Walter Nevin tries to bridge the gap between people who haven't taken science to the understanding of those things, of the amazing things like rainbows, lightnings, different stars in the night sky and whatnot. And he also claims that after properly reading this book, you will be able to see the world around us in a completely different perspective. Well, that's true. I have read this book and I found this really amazing. And my claim is, after reading this book, you will be very much smarter. Also, by promoting science this way, I don't mean to hurt people with other background. But I feel science is an integral part of all of us. Consider this. When you look up in the night sky and see lots of stars, don't you feel so amazed? Don't you have the curiosity? Don't you get the curiosity inside us? What are the stars made up of? How far they are? I suppose you understood what I mean to say. The rhyme, "Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, how I wonder what you are," resonates with all of us, right? It doesn't matter if you are a business person, an economist, an artist, we all have that curiosity inside us. So for that curiosity, we have this book for simple explanation. So if you are a science buff, then this book is for you. But if you are not a science buff and want to give science books a try, then you should definitely start with this book. Also, if you are a parent and want to teach your kids science, or maybe I should say you want to tell stories about science to inspire them about this field, then you can read this book and tell them about it. Also, if you have already watched the lectures of Walter Nevin, you can still read this book, because reading this book will be a completely different experience. Also, you will get to know him better. In the first chapter, he talks about himself, his life, his childhood, and how he and his family struggled during the time of war. So that is all about this book, but don't go away. I have a task for you. Tonight, go out and watch the night sky. Try to see different kind of stars. Different colors of stars. If you have a good eyesight and if the sky is clear, then you would be able to see different colors of stars like red star and blue star. Just pause a moment and think, why is it so? What may be the difference between the blue star and the red star? Well, don't Google it up. just give yourself the time to ponder about it. Do comment what do you think about them, and if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you like to see more of such videos. Bye bye.